Have you ever bought an earphone which works on Bluetooth technology that the seller gives claims that the charging case can charge the earbuds for about 4 times, and you go ahead to order the earbuds with no luck of the charging case charging the earbud for even a single full charge? I have been in this situation too, and that is why I made this video to show you how I improved the power capability of my earbud charging case. Although the improve may not be seen by everyone as the unit being mobile enough, but at least you got the idea. In case you want a powerful earbud with this special feature, you can check for popular earbuds that you have heard people use and have seen the results that you are looking for. I suggest that you get a new earbud with this great feature, which will cost you about $40 at the start. Okay, let's get to the main purpose of this video and start it. Firstly, you have to be very careful when opening these units because they are very fragile, as I broke my lid off the unit due to excessive force I used when opening. And there is a PCB with a small lithium cell beneath it. The IC on the PCB takes the voltage from the battery and boosts it up to 5 volts to charge the earbuds when they are placed in the case. The IC is efficient enough to limit power loss. The upgrade is possible enough to replace the battery, but I wasn't having another battery of the same size to replace, and I think that a battery of this size may be hard to charge the earbud at 4 times rates, since each of them has a battery capacity of 50 milliamp hours. So both of them charging at the same time will need 100 milliamp hours or more from the unit, which this tiny battery may find it hard to withstand for the earbuds to get to a full charge, due to factors like internal resistance, losses in the efficiency of the booster circuit, and battery quality. So I just had to replace the small battery with a bigger one that unfortunately won't fit into the unit anymore. But anyways, it could charge the earbuds more than 4 times. I do use my earbuds at home and not in the public because I want to be always cautious of my environment when I am outside. With this video, I think you will look into modifying your weak earbud charging case batteries, which you can only use at home, or you can take the charging case with you outside in case you don't care about people's mindsets. Thank you for sticking around in this video. As always, see you next time.